Picking a new content card in Trello. Go to the third list called New Content for Review on the Altiorem workflow board. Have a look around and have a scroll down at all the different cards that are available. There's lots of different topics. You can find the topic covered here. When you think you've got a card that interests you, open it up and have a look. Try and select cards that are top priority, if you can. If there's a really interesting topic that's a second priority, then please do go for it, of course. We have a complexity field here. So does it have a simple, clear relationship to finance? Or perhaps is it moderately complex or really complex and requires a bit of extra thinking? We let you know the number of pages. So if you've only got a short amount of time to devote, then pick a smaller piece of content. The topic covered is great if you want to have a look or focus on a particular area, such as climate change or here behavioural finance, ecological economics, lots of topics to choose from. Business strategy, corporate governance, sustainability reporting, child labour, employee engagement, gender equality, so many different areas that we're looking at. Here you'll see the content type. So we're in phase 1 at the moment, so we're mostly just doing research summaries and organisation profiles. But in the future, we're going to look at audio and video and also tools such as dynamic maps and other things that are going to help make the case for sustainable finance. So once you've selected the card that you want, you just go to Members and add yourself onto the card. Close the card down and then move the card over to In Progress. What will happen then is a date of in 2 weeks' time will automatically appear on the card. So we hope that you'll finish this in 2 weeks' time.